Hello students, welcome back to Green Oxford Academy. Today our topic of discussion is types of matrices. Let's start with our next type of matrices, which is a null or zero matrix. A matrix is called a null or zero matrix if all the elements or the entries of the matrix are zero. Is called a null or zero matrix. Let's have an example of matrix A. As you can see, matrix A has 3 rows and 3 columns. And all the entries of the matrix A are 0, so you may call it null or zero matrix. Let's have another example of matrix B. It has 2 rows and 2 columns. And all the entries of the matrix B are 0, so matrix B and A are the examples of the null or zero matrix. Let's start with the transpose of a matrix, which is another type of matrix. A transpose of a matrix can be obtained by interchanging the rows into columns or by interchanging the columns into rows of a matrix is called transpose of matrix. Let's have an example of matrix A. It has 1 row and 2 columns. In order to obtain the transpose of matrix A, what we have to do? We have to interchange the row into column, and the matrix which we obtain is called a transpose matrix, which is denoted by AT. The important point which you may have noticed that the matrix A has an order of 1 by 2. The order of matrix A is 1 by 2. It has 1 row, 2 columns. Now, after taking the transpose, the matrix which we obtained, which is AT, and the order of that transpose matrix have been changed. The order of transpose matrix is 2 by 1. It has 2 rows and 1 column. So the point is, after taking the transpose of any matrix, the order of matrix must be changed. As you can see, the matrix A has 1 row and 2 columns, so the order of matrix A is 1 by 2. But the order of transpose matrix is 2 by 1. Now let's discuss another property of a transpose matrix. Here you can see we have a matrix A. It has 1 row and 2 columns, so the order of matrix A is 1 by 2. Now, after taking the transpose of matrix A, the matrix which we obtained is a transpose matrix AT, which has 2 rows and 1 column, and the order of transpose matrix is 2 by 1. As I already discussed that by taking the transpose of any matrix, the order of matrix must be changed. Here in our example, the order of matrix A is 1 by 2, but after taking the transpose, the order of matrix AT is 2 by 1. Now, another important which I want to discuss here, that is the property of transpose matrix. But taking the transpose of any matrix twice, it is equal to the similar matrix. Here you can see the transpose of matrix AT is equal to 1 minus 3, which is equal to matrix A. Hence, we have a property of a matrix. By taking the transpose of any matrix twice, it remains equal to the same matrix for which we want to take the transpose twice. I repeat, by taking the transpose of any matrix twice, it does not change the shape of the matrix. It does not change the position of the elements. It remains same. As you can see, matrix A is equal to transpose of matrix AT. Now let's talk about another type of a matrix, a negative matrix. A negative matrix can be obtained by changing the signs of all the entries or all the elements of a matrix is called a negative matrix. I repeat, a negative matrix can be obtained by changing the signs of all the elements of any matrix is called a negative matrix. Let's have an example of matrix A. The elements of matrix A are positive 3, minus 2, minus 6, and positive 9. And now, by changing the signs of elements of matrix A, we have a negative matrix A, and the elements of negative matrix are minus 3, positive 2, positive 6, and minus 9. Students, you may have clearly noticed that a negative matrix A is obtained only by changing the signs of all the elements of matrix A. In next lecture, we will talk about rest of the types of the matrices.